This is the Alien Names Reflective Symmetry project. We will be focusing on reflective symmetry. Reflective symmetry is a type of symmetry that is symmetrical from a vertical or horizontal axis. Before you get started, you're going to want to plan out your project. Let's take a look at the materials that we will be using. You're going to need a pencil, a piece of paper, and some colored pencils.
Step 1. Fold your piece of paper in half vertically. Make sure your edges are lined up properly. Step 2. Once you have your piece of paper folded, take your paper and open it up. Look at the crease in the middle. You want that fold facing towards you. Now, write your name in cursive along the bottom edge of the paper.
Step 3. Trace your name to make it darker so it will be easier to transfer in the next step. Fold your paper in the opposite direction on the same crease. Your name should be on the inside of your paper now.
Step 4. You're going to need a scrap piece of paper and the back of a colored pencil. You want to use the scrap piece of paper on top of your drawing in order to not damage your drawing paper for this next step. Take the back of a colored pencil and add a solid amount of pressure and push down and rub the back of your drawing. What this is going to do is it's going to transfer the graphite from one side of your paper to the other. Now you may end up with some issues here. If you find that it's not transferring properly, you may want to go back and darken up your original drawing so you have enough graphite on the side of your paper in order to transfer it to the other side. Now, when you open up your paper, you should notice there is a light version, a reflected version of your name on the other side of the paper, just like you see here.
Step 5. Add details to your drawing to make it look more like an alien. To make this process faster, only add details to one side of your paper. Then fold it in half, transfer it just like you did when you drew your name, and then you'll have your drawing on both sides of the paper with half the amount of work. Step 6. Color and add details to your alien. Finally, add a background. During this stage of the project, remember to add transitions in your values that range from light to dark, blend and transition colors in order to make your work look more vibrant and interesting. I hope you like this project. Remember to have fun and keep drawing.